You spend months perfecting your supplement formula, only to let it spoil in a cheap bag. Hi, I'm your package engineer from Rainpace. Let's talk about how to choose the right package.
First, protect your powder from moisture and air. For max protection and light barrier, choose PET Al Pay Pure Foil. For standard protection, PET VME Pay is highly cost-effective. Second, food safety is a must. Ensure your materials are FDA or GB compliant. Also, make sure the bottom seal is strong so fine powders won't leak out during shipping. Third, choose your format. Stand-up pouches are classic and stand perfectly on shelves. Flat-bottom bags look premium for larger sizes. Sachets are perfect for single-use samples. Our golden rule: launch with digital, scale with gravure. Test multiple flavors with digital printing, no plate fees, and MOQ starts at just 500 PCS.
Need a perfect bag for your brand? Draw a comment below. Let's build your custom package together.